As the line between still photography and video storytelling continues to blur, many of you still photographers might be getting into more produced and scripted video projects. And you might be finding out that there are a lot more dimensions to producing video than there are to producing photography. I'm in the middle of production of a very small video and photography project that's being supported by Arts One Presents out of Springdale, Arkansas. And here's a step-by-step of how I'm making this project happen. The very first step was to start with a simple outline or elevator pitch that describes the entire project. You can use this to pitch it to your prospective client or sponsor of the project, and also get any cast members that you have in mind for the script on board. You invest in writing this outline before you write the entire script so you can save time and kind of gauge where everyone's interest level is. Normally after the script I would start casting, but this project is actually written around crochet artist Gina Galina and her crazy cast of characters, so that's already cast. All we need to do is start breaking down the locations, props, and essential gear that I'll need to make the script happen. This project takes place in 2 scenes that I decided to build in this little garage. So I emptied it out of all the garage stuff and we are off to the races. After I got the rough and large set pieces into place, I spiked them on the ground with tape so I knew where they would sit, and then I started hanging the lighting grid, or in this case a lighting 2x4. There are 2 scenes in this video. One is a whimsical garden shed and the other one is sort of a Pee-wee's Playhouse style park scene. In the next video we're going to bring in props and finish set decoration, and then we will be at production day. Stay tuned.